Here's a quick log of what I was able to get done on the first night. Here's my game engine. I've swapped the title out, and I still have my scene set up that allows me to switch between single classes that control everything on screen and all the sets of available input. So now we're on a UI test scene. This is what I was working on tonight, is just making some buttons that work, and it changes color to prove that it's aware that the mouse is over it, which should be easy to add an actual input event tomorrow when I get back to it. This all lives in the rectangle class. All it really does is this line of code that determines whether a XY point is inside of that rectangle. And the button class, which derives from a rectangle and adds colors and text to it. I'm still working on getting this really ugly constructor working. As I can show here, it would be pretty tidy to just create that button with all of the numerical color and text fields that make it up, but I'm getting a syntax error, just C++ for you when you don't really know what you're doing. So I had to set all the fields individually, which looks absolutely horrible. But at least button has its own render function. Could probably be streamlined a little bit to actually use the right data types on the class instead of building them every frame to render it. But it works, and that's what I was up to.